Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Who refloated the vessel and how was it freed? It took 14 tugboats conducting pulling maneuvers from 3 directions to achieve, according to the SCA. Their task was made easier by dredgers that worked over the weekend to dislodge the stranded vessel, shifting some 27,000 metric tons of sand to a depth of 60 feet. 29 March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bernhard Schulte Ship Management, BSM, as the technical managers of the containership Ever Given, EMO, 9,811,000, can confirm that the vessel was safely refloated at approximately 1500 local time on the 29th of March 2021. Ever Given will now head to the Great Bitter Lake where she will undergo a full inspection. The 29th of March 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.